Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. There is something I want to let you know about this birds. It's those that the chicken makes noise during rainfall. I will say not actually. During the rainfall, they do not make a lot of noise. The only thing is that their noise even reduced. As you are seeing me now, we are hearing the rain. Look at the rain falling here and rain falling over here, and their noise reduce. It's like when there is no rain, they make a lot of noise in the farm, but they reduce the noise. And you can see here, as they are not making noise, some birds at the front extreme here, they are quiet because of the heavy rain, but the one inside here, they make a little bit noise because of the sound of the rain. And when you go around, you may not see eggs. They lay eggs. When the rain is falling, the laying of their eggs will decrease. It's what I observe in this place. That is what I observed that I want to let you know. You can go around now. There's no any other eggs here. Look at this place. Go down here. There's no egg. Go down here. No egg. Here, no egg. Here, no egg. Here, no egg. We have already removed all the eggs before the rain. Now the rain is falling now. There is no eggs. When they will start laying eggs is when the rain stops. Then they start laying the eggs. And towards in the night, they will not lay any egg. Even one egg you will not see in the night. That time there is darkness. They will just sleep and reserve their strength in the night. Then in the morning they start laying. But now the number of eggs they will lay will reduce. You may not even see any. Now we have a lot of rain. I hope you enjoyed this channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.